طيب, let's resume this class. As we said that the sum of an odd group of odd numbers is an odd number. So, for example, For example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. So it's odd number. Rahman, don't play. Okay? But if we have only 2 of odd numbers, it's going to be an even number. Okay. Let's continue with the next statement. We have less than 10 minutes in this meeting. Unfortunately, the problem طيب. What do we get when we add an even group of odd numbers? Already talked about this, right? No. Previously, we have talked about odd groups of odd numbers, but now we are talking about even group of odd numbers. This is like we add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. All of these numbers are what? They are odd numbers. And how many odd numbers do we have? We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This means we have four odd numbers, right? And the 4 is even. So the group, this is the group, contains of 4 numbers, which is even. So this group is called even group, okay? And the numbers inside this even group are all odd numbers, okay? So the sum of an even group of odd numbers is an even number. So 1 plus 3 is even. 5 plus 7 is 12, which is even. 4 plus 12 is 16, which is also even. Okay? Some of you are writing page. What do you need the page, guys? No need, just follow me. Don't look at the page on the book. Okay, let's talk about the product of even or odd numbers. Here we have the next statement. The product of 2 even numbers is an even number. For example, 2 times 8 equals 16. 4 times 6 equals 24. Both the two numbers are even, and the answer is even also as well. Okay, 10 is even, 6 is even. The answer is also 60, which is even. Okay, so the product of even numbers is an even number. I think this is easy. What about the next statement? Okay, the product of 2 odd numbers is an odd number. For example, 3 times 7. The 3 is odd and the 7 is odd. So the answer is going to be odd. So the product means what? Multiplication. Always when you see this word product means multiplication. Okay, so the product of 2 odd numbers is an odd number. For example, 9 is odd times 5 is which is odd, would give us 45, which is also odd number. Okay, the last statement here The last statement is, what is the product of an odd number and even number? Sorry. No, no, don't write. Don't write. Guys, look here. What is the product of an odd number and an even number? For example, 3 is odd, 8 is even. What is the product? The answer is 24, which is what? Which is an even number. So the product of an odd number and an even number is going to be always an even number. Okay? Another example of this, good. Another example is 7 times 4. The product of 7 and 4. 7 is odd, 4 is even. The answer is 28, which is even. Okay, good. We have finished this. I'll give you a chance to ask if you have a questions. Any question?